Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs more fluffy. First, crack your eggs into a bowl. For every 2 large eggs, add about 2 tablespoons of milk or cream. Whisk them vigorously for at least 30 seconds until they are light and frothy. This incorporates air, which is crucial for a fluffy texture. Prepare your pan over medium-low heat. The right ingredients make a big difference. Adding a small amount of liquid, like milk or cream, helps create steam during cooking, making the eggs lighter. For an extra boost, a tiny pinch of baking soda, about 1/8 of a teaspoon per 2 eggs, can react with the egg proteins to produce more air bubbles. Don't forget a pat of butter in the pan for flavor and to prevent sticking. Cooking technique is vital for fluffy eggs. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture. As the edges begin to set, gently push the cooked egg towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Stir constantly with a rubber spatula, scraping the bottom and sides. Cook until just set, but still slightly moist, then remove from heat. For truly exceptional fluffiness, consider these final tips. Always use a good non-stick pan to ensure even cooking and easy stirring. Avoid cooking too many eggs at once. A batch of 2 to 3 eggs works best for consistent results. Once cooked, immediately transfer your fluffy scrambled eggs to a warm plate. Enjoy them right away for the best possible texture and flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.